Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
See, what happened is we have filed a report indicating the latest report from Mala Lake, and there are 2 or 3 areas where the pollution is on the higher side. That report is produced before the court. Secondly, the pollution control has, the CCP has also filed an affidavit. They have found out which houses were not having sewerage connection. Some of them have already taken fresh sewerage connections. In respect of some, they have issued show cause notices, and that process has started. So that affidavit is also come on record. Now the court has asked for the latest report as far as the rest of Mandovi river is concerned. We told the court that we have already collected the samples and we are awaiting the reports. As soon as that report comes with us, we will produce it on the record. That's why the matter is kept after 2 weeks for the purpose of producing the report insofar as the rest of the Mandovi river is concerned.